This is third video of the same lesson, Taking Up the Challenge by Kiran Bedi. This is a biographical passage written by Kiran Bedi, who is India's most well-known and famous police officer. So we have already completed two sections of this passage, or we can say this lesson. Now this is on page number 49, literature reader book of your functional English course. So coming to the lesson, she says she had talked about her family, childhood, about being hurt, about preparation, and her attitude and how she would deal with the situation. So, coming back to the lesson, now she talks about her family, she talks about her parents, she talks about her sisters. She says her family, her parents, her sisters were very loving and caring. They were unselfish and protective and very liberal. She had great attachment for her mother. She would cry, she says, she would cry if her mother was not at home. Her mother always knew exactly what she needed emotionally or physically. Kiran Bedi says that I had a great attachment with my mother, and my mother always knew exactly what I needed, whether be it emotionally or physically. So she had a great attachment for her mother. She would cry if her mother was not at home. If ever she felt like crying, she says that if ever she felt like crying, she cried in front of her parents. She never cried in front of other people. So, whenever she felt like crying, she cried in front of her parents, and she never cried in front of others because she was a child only at home, and outside she was a soldier, so she had to display that kind of attitude. She had to present herself as a brave soldier, so she would never cry in front of other people. Despite that, she would prefer to cry whenever she feels, because everybody there comes a moment when one feels like crying is very important. One should cry if one feels like crying. So whenever she felt like crying, because this we all are human beings, and we do feel sometimes this kind of whenever she feels like, she says, whenever I felt like crying, I would prefer to cry in front of my parents, and I would never cry in front of others, because for others I was a brave soldier. That is how she used to be child at home and soldier outside the home. Kiran Bedi's father, mother, and her sister contributed in every way to focus her concentration in achieving her goals. So she talks very high about her parents, about her siblings. She says, my father, my mother, and my sisters contributed in every way to focus my concentration in achieving my goal. Then she talks about her husband. Her husband supported her, he never stood in her way. So, this is what she talks about her husband. She says, my husband supported me in every way, he never stood in my way. Her mother in law also encouraged her. She was a wonderful sport. This is how she talks about her in laws. Kiran Bedi says her mother in law would scold the whole family because of her. She would say, her mother in law, Kiran Bedi's mother in law, would say to other members in the family, if Kiran can do it, why can't you? If Kiran can do this and that, why can't you people? So, this is how Kiran Bedi's mother in law would scold the whole family because of Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi would wear the only jewelry. Now she talks about her jewelries. Kiran Bedi would wear the only jewelry that are earrings given by her mother in law. So this is the only jewelry she would wear, that are earrings given by her mother-in-law. Kiran Bedi's parents and in-laws shared her concerns. They were part of her accomplishment, her job. So all of them were part of her job. It was all giving, sharing, and doing. She says, for instance, in the police training college, God knows whether I am giving or whether I am receiving. In one context, I am contributing so much joy. In other context, in other way, I am receiving so much. Similarly, happened at home. Whenever her parents saw her doing better, they would get excited. They would feel good. They would feel proud. Her father used to travel with her to tennis tournaments, and her mother would come to social events with her. So, this was about how her parents, mother, father, and the siblings supported her in every possible way, and this was about her, how she talks about her in-laws. We shall continue this in the third video. Thank you.